I'm rounding out this bathroom. I've got the LED vanity up, and now, as promised, I going to add a fixture over top of the mirror. And this is a 5-light LED. This one's in brushed nickel. They come in other colors. What's unique about this is the rotating fixture. Each one rotates independently. So if you want the light down, you want the light up, you want the light sideways, say you got a side mirror like I do here, and I wanted to splash some light into that mirror, I can do it. So I went with the 5-light because it's pretty good size to match. This is about a, I think it was a 48-inch mirror width here. So I'll get this installed and then I'll show it to you. This has a memory, so now these work in conjunction. And then if I don't want this, I can just manually turn it off. Got my backlight, and there you go. It puts out a lot of light. I like the addition because you could do everything without this mirror light, and if you add that in, and if we bring it up all the way, I mean, I've got some serious light now. I got a nice 360, well, or 180, whatever you want to call it. I've got good light everywhere. So shaving, makeup, my eyes, I've got nice eye light. And again, like I said, this can turn, rotate those if you want. So I think it's a great combination. I like having an additional light at the top. I mean, I already had a vanity light up there anyway, and I didn't want to just leave the old one there. I wanted to make it modern, just like my new mirror. So the colors match great. This is all a daylight type fixture. So if you're buying, that means 5600, 6500. You want to make sure it matches, the color temperatures match your mirror. Now this mirror is a bicolor, so it can do warm and cool, but the fixture up top is daylight only. So check it out.